Want to back up all your settings in PUBG Battlegrounds but don't know how? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can back up PUBG Battleground settings on your PC. So, let's start without wasting any time. First of all, click on the search icon. Then type in Run. Next, click on Run from the search results. Now in this field, type in %local app data % and hit Enter. After that, scroll down all the way to the end and open the TSL game folder. Then go to the saved game folder and then the config folder. Next, open the Windows No Editor folder. Here, you'll find all of your config files. Just copy and move them to somewhere safe. And after reinstalling, you can just paste these files in the Windows No Editor folder. So guys, that's how you back up PUBG Battleground settings on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you want more gaming tips, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!